हेलो एवरीवन। मैं इंजीनियर सक्षम सक्सेना। मैं फिर से हाजिर हूँ आप सबके सामने। आज आपकी जनरल अवेयरनेस गुरु शिवांगी श्रीवास्तव आपको जनरल अवेयरनेस और करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में बताएंगी, साथ ही साथ कुछ टॉप न्यूज़ भी बताएंगी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं।
So hello everyone. Today we are going to deal with all type of questions related to general awareness and current affairs. Basically, that top news which has created buzz in our market and are most likely to come in our targeted portion, that is SBI PO 2020, IBPS clerk and PO notification which are going to come. So let's start. G all day. Yeah, you can subscribe to our channel for getting all GA news. Now the first one is Sundar Pichai asks Google to invest 75,000 crore in India to increase growth of digitization in next 5 to 7 years. Yes, there in the news it was like Sundar Pichai, who is the CEO of Google. He asked Google and kept this offer, and like they agreed and they are ready to invest 75,000 crores in coming 5 to 7 years in India. What for digitization and increase the GDP growth and improving our conditions. And the next one is related to the field of sports. BCCI recruited new interim CEO. He is Himang Amin. This question is most likely to come, and in this question, they can ask how many crore rupees and or for what purpose. Okay, now next is related to the industry or the market. HSBC Bank, which is a foreign bank, to set up IFC unit in Gift City. So here we can they can ask in the paper like um, either which bank ask or what type of unit they are going to set up or in which city they are going to be established. Okay, the next one is related to the market. Qualcomm Ventures, which is the growing company here. Qualcomm Ventures is going to invest 730 crores in Geo platform. We already know that Geo is entering funds. Like, yeah, they want funds and people to invest in their company. So here is another in last few months, this is the second news related to Geo, that Qualcomm Ventures is going to invest how many crores? That is 730 crore in Geo platform. I'm clearing the sheet. You may take screenshot of all these. Okay, so let's proceed. Rupee settles at 75.9 against US dollars. So when this is when I recorded all the affairs, the current status of rupee is set flat at 75.9 against dollar, US dollar. Now the next, after Facebook, Reliance Industry has closed deals to sell a minority stake in its digital arm to four other investors, receiving a total of over 30,062 crore. Now see, this news is not going to come in the paper. What are they going to ask is, what I am trying to say with this news is that Geo is going to create crores. Okay, so now paper में they can ask like Geo has deal with which type of companies and who invested or how much crores. Only paper can ask the top companies like Qualcomm, how many crores they invested, right? So just be in touch with this. Next, women under 17 to be held behind doors. Yeah. So Women World Cup under 17 is going to held behind doors. So I request you all to please focus on who won and who got into semifinals. Yeah. Next, People's Bank of China, the country's central bank, has cut its stake in mortgage lending HDFC in quarter ended June 30, according to shareholding data filed by HDFC with the stock exchange. Okay, so here by this they are saying that the Public Bank of China, you know how our condition is, how bad we are in terms with China. So PBC China earlier has stakes in HDFC Bank. Now after June 30, PBC has less than 1% of stake. Okay, less than 1% of stake in HDFC. This is a buzz news. Next, yeah, so Ambani, yeah, Reliance founder Ambani Wealth has crossed Elon Musk and Google CEO. So this can be seen in the news or asked in your paper that who recently crossed or who was in the news who crossed Elon Musk, है ना, and Google CEO, right? They can ask this. Also, guys, if you want to get in touch with this general awareness question, do subscribe to our channel, and we are having link in description towards our Instagram page. So to keep yourself updated with the great deals and offers, do follow us on Instagram also. Thank you.
तो आपको आज का लेक्चर पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है जनरल अवेयरनेस से रिलेटेड तो आप अपने गुरु शिवांगी श्रीवास्तव से पूछ सकते हैं। प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। हमारे वीडियो के राइट हैंड साइड पे सब्सक्राइब का बटन है तो आप उसको दबाइए, और लेफ्ट में लाइक का बटन है आप उसको दबाइए। साथ ही साथ हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन में कुछ सोशल मीडिया के लिंक्स डाल रखे हैं, फेसबुक एंड इंस्टाग्राम, आप हमें वहाँ पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। हम टेलीग्राम पर भी हैं, आप हम पे वहाँ पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। वहाँ पे हमने एक ग्रुप बना रखा है डिस्कशन के लिए, तो आप हमसे वहाँ सवाल पूछ सकते हैं। आप अपने जनरल अवेयरनेस गुरु से सवाल पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक यू।